So guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. I am collabing with them. I collabed with them multiple times, y'all. They did send me this orange colored bob wig. It is supposed to be pre-bleached, pre-plucked, basically pre-everything. Also, it is a pre-plucked hairline. I'm giving y'all a close-up on the hairline and the parting of the wig, y'all. It is a closure wig. It is not a frontal, so you can only do a middle part, okay? You cannot do a side part. You cannot do a C part, nothing of that sort. You can only do a middle part. So yes, I am showing y'all the lace. I will not be doing anything to this lace. Literally, y'all, I will just be cutting it off. But before I cut it off, I will be showing y'all how I install it. Basically, I am putting the wig on with this black band in the back. The black band is to secure it, y'all. So yes, keep that in mind. You can make this wig glueless. It is up to you. Or you can take the straps out. It's really up to you. And I basically will just be putting it on my head, putting it to where I want it before I cut it. And before I cut it, I will be showing y'all how the clean hairline looks on my skin. Y'all, no lie, I was really skeptical on this wig, but I had to trust the process. Literally, I had to trust the process. I was thinking like, this is not giving, it's not gonna look right. It's just not me. Like, I don't know, y'all, it just wasn't given for me. Not only that, I did decide to make this wig glueless. I just used got to be spray on it. I am using my wax stick, and I'm basically just going through the hair to make it as flat as possible to give it not such of a wig look. So yes, y'all, I'm just going through and hot combing as much as I can. I also be using mousse to flatten down as well, y'all. As I mentioned, this is a middle part. You cannot do a side part or a C part. You cannot do that, so you can only do a middle part. So yes, y'all, basically we'll just be going in and showing y'all how the wig looks before I cut it and flattering it. I will be lightly flattering it. I also will be taking a large handful of hair and straightening it from the top to the bottom, showing y'all the shine in the hair, y'all. I did not put anything on this weave, like nothing, no bio silk, no oil, nothing, y'all. Literally fresh out of the box. So as y'all can see, I did not wash it neither. So yes, y'all, this is the outcome. Literally, it's an easy install. Basically, how to install your wig within 5 minutes. I am using got to be spray, y'all, and I'm just spraying a little bit across the front, and then I'm using my melt band to let it melt, and I'm gonna let it sit on for probably like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm taking a handful of hair, showing y'all how the hair flattens. It does take heat very well, y'all. Like, look at it. I did not put nothing on this hair, as I mentioned. It definitely has a shine to it. I did not put any oil in it as well, y'all. Definitely go shop at Luvme Hair, y'all. They do have the best affordable on the go easy wigs, y'all, literally. I also didn't do no baby hairs as requested, y'all. Y'all know I'm a big fan of baby hairs, but I did not do any baby hairs on this wig. This is the final look. I will be doing a little quick beat, and I will be showing y'all how the bob looks. I did not cut anything. I didn't do anything, y'all. All I did was put the wig on. Also, I will be showing y'all how the wig looks from the back, from the side, giving y'all a little shake. Just basically filling out the hair, y'all. I give this bob probably an 8 out of 10. I love the color, I love the cut, but honestly, truthfully, I feel like the lace could have been a little bit better. I feel like the parting could have been a little bit further back, but overall, y'all, I don't have nothing bad to say about it. Definitely a on the go type of wig, y'all, so definitely go shop at Love Me Hair if y'all are interested in those type of wigs. Everything will be in the description box for this company, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with Love Me Hair. Let them know that I did send you, and as I mentioned, y'all, I will be turning around, showing y'all the bob look, how it's flowing, how it's moving. And I did not put anything in his hair, no oil, nothing, y'all. So yes, definitely go shop at Love Me Hair. Let them know that I did send you. The discount code to this wig will be in the description box, y'all. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. We at 50K, we on the road to 100K, y'all know the vibes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.